Okay, here is the pentode model, and it comes with RL, which is the plate resistor, and the resistor on the screen grid, and also has a screen bypass capacitor here. We could turn all these off. You can kind of see the immediate effect over here on our scope. And if you look up here, we look at the gain. The gain is 12 here, basically. But if we turn that, put that screen capacitor back in, you'll see that our gain is going to jump back up again to somewhere around 120. So this is actually quite interesting how this works out, and you kind of see what's going on inside of our baby here. We can look at it from the top. We can come over here and say top. We can look at it coming down from the top. And so this is the suppressor grid right here. So what this does is when these electrons whack into the plate, a lot of them have enough force to bounce off and come back into the vacuum area instead of getting absorbed by the plate. So what this suppressor grid does is it's a negative voltage, and it forces these electrons back into the plate. Now we can come over here and turn off the suppressor itself, and you'll see all the bounced ones actually start working their way back down into the charge space, and that affects the gain of the entire circuit. So this is actually really cool. The modeling is great for this. So anyway, all right, that's good.